Hi, and welcome to the showcase video on HPE ArcSight Logger. This video will show Logger's data and event collection methods, Logger's parsing flexibility, and how to powerfully chart and summarize search results. HPE Logger is the universal event search, store, and analyze solution from HPE software. Logger comes in a variety of formats, including software or appliance, with support for running in a Hyper-V environment. Using industry-standard browsers such as Internet Explorer and Firefox allows us access to all of Logger functions. So let's get started. We'll log into Logger with a username and password. Let's take a look at the event input settings. Logger allows you to control how your events come into Logger using receivers. There are smart message receivers, which are designed to receive events from HPE ArcSight Smart Connectors. HPE ArcSight Smart Connectors provide event input to Logger, but are not required. If your device or application is not on the standard list of Smart Connectors, or you choose not to use Smart Connectors, Logger can take files in nearly any format, including unstructured and multi-line. There are folder follower receivers, which point to files to read in as they are written. Log files, like var log messages or an application that is internal to your company, are good examples of this kind of log file. For these files, you can associate a source type and a parser with the file, or you can define your own parser. Or we can add smart connectors to this logger using the onboard connector management. Here, you can choose any one of Logger's smart connectors. As shown on the next slide, there are more than 300 different ArcSight smart connectors that are designed to retrieve or receive events from all these devices. The smart connector parses and normalizes events and sends them on into Logger. Simple, easy. Logger's collection flexibility lets you decide to parse your events at collection time or at search time and define parsing on the fly. For any events, whether they come in via Smart Connector or raw, you can group, aggregate, chart, summarize your events to get from the large set of all events down to the events you want to focus on at the moment. By default, all events are at your fingertips. Start from a field or a full text search. Then you can extract and isolate fields if you would like, group the results with chart or top, sort, limit the result set. Say, for example, you wanted to get an idea of how many events came in today by vendor and product right now. No report to write, just enter the chart count command and get results that are drillable. Here's an example. Let's expand the number of results that we can look at one time to up to 25. We can go further if we'd like. Say I'm a network engineer looking for DNS traffic, and I want to use NetFlow events to help me find out who's using port 53, which is DNS. I can drill down on the Cisco NetFlow events, and then I can change the field set to NetFlow to help focus on the NetFlow details that I want to see. Now I have a reasonable and live picture of the top ports as monitored by NetFlow. I can focus in on with a field summary chart command. From the chart, it isn't immediately clear who are the top users of port 53. So let's pair up source and destination and chart by count in descending order. This chart is almost complete. We just need to add the descending order portion on the end, and we'll do that. Sort, descending order, count. There's the pair of addresses that are responsible for most of that traffic. We hope you have enjoyed this introductory Logger demonstration video. Thanks for watching.